Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to talk about your research paper. You're going to be engaging in a primary source research assignment, which we've been talking about for a while. You will submerge yourself into the world of observation. As James Agee said, perceive the cruel radiance of what is, rather than the narcotic shimmer of what isn't. This quote and its source from Moby Duck, which we read in class, are included here in the video. And this is the type of thing you want to use as an anchor while you're doing your research. Because your task is going to be to choose an object and learn about everything that is possible to learn. You can use observation, experimentation, or any other first source that you find. You're going to need to actually reach out to people and ask them questions about your item. You can use secondary sources only as a guide and not as a primary source or cited source in your project. As a reminder of what I mean by this, I'm going to put the tennis ball video that we did in class up here. Now, this is a solid example of observation and experimentation. And it would be a good idea for you to sit and review this a bit so you have a recollection of what it is that you're going to do. Finally, you're going to want to do a little bit of pre-research. Ask yourself first what interests you and what do you want to learn. Finally, contemplate how you will present your findings. You should develop and create an interesting and engaging addition to your research for eventual publication of the project. Tomorrow in class we will discuss this in some detail. So what you should really do tonight is try and figure out what is that object that you want to research, and come in tomorrow ready with questions to discuss regarding this research project. And remember, guys, anything that you want to try, I'm willing to give a try as far as presentation goes. We have the equipment, we might as well see how great you can make your assignment and how interesting. Other people want to know what it is that you found out. And you're going to be sharing this with a very wide audience. So you want to make it as approachable and as accessible to as many different people in that audience as possible. Okay, thanks, and I'm looking forward to your questions tomorrow.